Today's topic is single bus organization inside the CPU. As we know, CPU consists of most of the building blocks. There are many registers inside the CPU. So they can be organized and interconnected in a variety of ways. The one of the way in which these registers inside the CPU is connected is the single bus organization, in which all the registers are connected by the single bus. So this is the single bus by which all the registers are connected. Okay, so it is internal inside the CPU. And what about the external bus? The external bus are these bus which are connected to the MDR and MAR register. Okay, so as we know, program counter register stores the address of the next instruction, and MAR stores the address of the instructions which is executed. MDR stores the data of the instruction. Okay, then IR, instruction register, which store the instructions that is currently being executed. Then R0 and Rn-1, these are the general purpose registers, so it is used for the general purpose. As we know, ALU is the arithmetic and logical unit which performs the arithmetic and logical operations. The arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and logical maybe AND or XOR. Okay, so the ALU is having two inputs. So one of the inputs of the ALU is from Y register, and the second input is from the bus, internal bus, and the output of this ALU is stored into the Z register. So this Y, Z and temp are the new registers. So these are not used by the programmer. So these are used by internally by the CPU. Okay, so ALU is having two inputs. One is Y and second is from the data bus, and the result of the ALU is stored into the Z register. Okay, so this is the single bus organizations of the CPU. And the next unit is instruction decoder and control logic. So what is the function of this instruction decoder? It decodes the instructions and specify which operation is to be performed by the instruction. And control logic generates the control signals which are required by that instructions, and that control signals are provided to all the registers of the CPU. Okay, and the current instructions that is being executed is stored into the IR as well as control logic, so that the control logic can provide the appropriate control signals for that instruction. Okay, and that instruction address is stored into the MAR register. Thank you.